TSP to Gold IRA Rollover in 2025, can it protect your retirement from inflation? Inflation is a silent threat to retirement savings, eroding purchasing power over time. For federal employees and military retirees, a TSP to Gold IRA Rollover in 2025 could be an effective way to protect your wealth from inflation. Gold has long been seen as a hedge against currency devaluation, making it a wise choice when traditional investments might not provide enough protection. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Why consider a Gold IRA? Inflation can steadily chip away at retirement savings. Even a 3% inflation rate can cause a $1 million nest egg to lose over $250,000 in purchasing power over a decade. The traditional TSP funds, G Fund, F Fund, C Fund, S Fund, and I Fund, offer some growth potential but lack the ability to directly combat inflation. Benefits of gold in a retirement portfolio. 1. Historical performance. Gold has proven its value as a stable investment during times of inflation. It saw significant gains during the 1970s stagflation, the 2008 financial crisis, and the 2020 pandemic. 2. Inflation hedge. Gold holds intrinsic value and tends to rise when the dollar weakens, making it a great way to safeguard wealth against inflation. 3. Diversification. A Gold IRA provides diversification outside of traditional paper assets, which can help protect against market volatility. How to roll over your TSP to a Gold IRA? 1. Eligibility. Only retired federal employees or those who have separated from service can fully roll over their TSP. Active employees may qualify for partial withdrawals. 2. Choosing a custodian. You'll need an IRS-approved custodian to manage your Gold IRA. Look for reputation, transparent fees, and compliance with IRS rules. 3. Fund transfer. The transfer from TSP to your Gold IRA must be done directly, trustee to trustee, to avoid taxes or penalties. 4. Select gold assets. The IRS allows certain types of gold, like American Gold Eagles and Canadian Maple Leafs, as IRA-approved assets. 5. Storage. Your gold must be stored in an IRS-approved depository, ensuring it's secure and compliant. Allocation strategy. How much to roll over? It depends on your risk tolerance and goals. Here's a general guideline. Conservative, 5 to 10% in gold. Balanced, 10 to 20% for more inflation protection. Aggressive, up to 30% for significant protection. Is gold the right choice in 2025? Gold remains a strong contender against inflation in 2025, despite some challenges like rising interest rates. Geopolitical risks and ongoing currency weakness make gold a favorable option. A TSP to Gold IRA rollover in 2025 can be an effective way to safeguard retirement savings from inflation. By adding gold to your portfolio, you balance the risks of traditional assets and benefit from gold's proven ability to maintain purchasing power. Diversifying your retirement plan today could provide security for your future. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.